We are going to make chicken bono.
Adobo.
We are going to make chicken adobo. Today we'll just marinate it and tomorrow we'll show you how it's really done. So I'm just gonna cut the chicken really quickly and we'll put it in the marinade. I'll show you what we put in the marinade.
Any way you want. As long as it's not too big.
We saw this recipe in Cook and Share. We'll put the link at the bottom so you can go and check it out.
Thanks, Dave.
Yeah, I saw some of his videos.
You saw some of his videos?
Yeah, my sister's been watching it for a long time, and she's already made 2 recipes. It tasted really good, so we thought we'd record the 3rd one. Chicken adobo. Chicken adobo. Okay, we have cutted the meat, and now we're going to marinate it. Okay, set. So we're going to dump everything into this bowl.
That's a container.
All the chicken into the tub. Now comes the marinating.
Ground black pepper, soy sauce, vinegar, and garlic cloves. You can use any kind of soy sauce. All we have right now is mushroom soy sauce, so it'll have to.
Oh, mushroom soy sauce. What's next? Coconut oil. Garlic and ginger vinegar. 3 tablespoons. Looking good.
Sugar.
How much sugar?
Teaspoon.
1 teaspoon sugar. Black pepper. You like a lot?
How much chili powder do you want?
Set. So we've put ground black pepper and chili powder. Any amount depending on your taste. Cloves of garlic. Cloves of cloves.
Cloves of garlic. Mix it.
Hand or spoon. Now you mix. Yes. Now what?
Lid fridge.
Don't close it tight. They need to breathe. For how long? Overnight.
Yeah. The shortest amount that's okay would be 2-3 hours. But overnight is better.
Here's a bongo. Hello, bongo. Okay, now we'll catch you tomorrow when we cook it. Okay, it's day 2. Time to cook the chicken. We've left it to marinate for 1 whole day and it looks very black. So black that some white police officers about to arrest it. Alright, so we're gonna put it in the frying pan with some water. We've also got chips frying on that side. Oh, Aisha, all won't fit, eh?
That's why we're doing this pan and not the other one. That one has a lid. The only difference it'll make that we'll have to spoon it around a bit. Make sure all of them.
Hey, we get to spoon it.
You want to spoon a chicken?
If it gives me eggs.
Half cup water.
Dave said this should go really well with rice, but we've got our own separate stuff we want it to go with. Aisha's got chips and Mom's gonna make some pasta.
Hold on. Just put water over it, so. Okay, then sure. The only cook I'm willing to collab with is Dave himself. What did you break?
Now we're closing the dhakkan for 15 minutes. Time to open and check. It's been 20 minutes. 15 minutes. Oh, that looks good. Let it cook for another
10 or 15.
10 or 15 minutes. Alright people, and that's done. Chicken adobo.
Yummy!